Rufus went down to the studio with me, and he decided he wanted to come back up. Sitting in the studio on a cold, dark, damp day isn't a lot of fun for anybody. Irene's down working. She has the appropriate clothes on, so she's doing all right. In another 25 minutes or 20 minutes, I'll be down and hooking up the new compressor so that she can use her air tools. Hey, Rufus. He has a nice coat and sheds water pretty well, right? Say bye.
Okay, since this thing is now DEAD.
Yep, that just needs to go on the floor, and I'll see if I can check out the switch later.
Right.
There's two switches that could be a problem, but...
Right, and a fuse. But I assume it's one of the switches because it worked fine when I turned it on. And it did run a couple of cycles, you know. But then it just stopped again. And I'm like, ugh. No, not again. So I'm trying to build up enough waxes so that I have enough for this casting and possibly another one without having to go crazy, you know?
Okay. Well, it looks like you're all set. Yes. So you have your wax pen going over there on the assembly bench for the flasks, and now you have this one going.
Right. I'll probably... I don't know, I'll think about it. Sometimes, I rarely run both of them at the same time because it's a high draw.
You can leave it on, you're running off the house right now.
I know, and I can hear you running the generator, so. Since we have no solar today.
Okay, well, I'll see you about lunchtime. Give me a call when you're ready for lunch.
Okay, yeah, I'm thinking 12:30.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
You ready to go back to the house? Okay, let's go. Back up and sit down. You know what to do. Sit. Okay, house. We don't usually let Rufus out except on leash. Come on. Come on. Rufus. But he's behaving pretty well. Unfortunately, there's not going to be any rabbits around today because of the weather. No squirrels, no rodents, which is good because he is obsessed with chasing rats and mice. Well, time to go to the house, Rufus. Let's go.